Hi friends, hola amigos, soy yo el Maestro Marty, it's me, Teacher Marty. And today we're going to talk about science. And what we're going to be using today is vinagre, baking soda, bicarbonato de sodio, and food coloring, color de comida. And some of these things you can find at your home. Estas cosas también se pueden encontrar en casa. And to do this project, I made a little piece of paper, and I have a little bottle to help me. But you can find anything at home that works, or you can just dig a hole. Pues, si no tienen cosas así en casa, pueden hacer un agujero o algo así. So, what we're going to do is show you what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda together. Ahora vamos a enseñarlos qué pasa cuando pones los dos juntos. Vamos a mixar. So, first, we're going to put a little bit of baking soda in there. It's okay if you make a mess. Science projects get messy. Okay, and now it's time to put the vinegar. And I just put food coloring in the vinegar to make it that lava color. And let's find out what happens. Vamos a ver qué pasa cuando lo ponemos los dos juntos. Whoa! Lava! Yeah. And that's what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar. Thank you.